Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And welcome to your daily update on Jasmy. We'll do a full update. I'll talk about some buy opportunities here and just in general what I'm looking at. First of all, yes, the audio is very, very bad. I'm recording from a new laptop. I'm not sure what's going on. All right, so I tried to fix it the entire morning. But this with the settings I had, this was the best I could get it to. All right, so I did my best. Audio is not great. If you don't want to watch today's video, want to wait for tomorrow, I understand. But yeah, we'll talk about Jasmy. I still think that there's some interesting things to say about Jasmy right now because yesterday, as some of you remember, I bought Jasmy. I sold it in the US session. All right, because what we had, I bought it from 2 cents in the morning, a little bit lower. And we had a solid move up to 2.06 cents, so 0.0206, which was also some sort of a key level. It's not a major key level, but you can see historically it's been respected quite a bit. So we hit that, but instantly rejected off of that, right? So that's a bad sign. I mean, if you're at such a strong support level, which 2 cents could be, you expect some more strength from there. And then in the US session, so later in the afternoon. And we also saw some weakness in general coming into the markets. We had Nvidia earnings later in the evening, so I decided to close it at entry. It's still at my entry right now. Drop down a little bit lower towards the support level right here at 1.9 cents. But I do still think the same as what I said yesterday, right? Even though, look, the thing is that that rejection and just in general the bearish momentum we saw scared me slightly. But I still think the idea is decent, right? Because the idea right now I have for Jasmy is that we are consolidating, right? So all right, well, we had a bit of a fake out together with the entire market, so that's not necessarily bearish for Jasmy in the weekend. And now we are back in this range, which I will highlight for you. Back in this range right here between 2.3 cents and 1.9 cents. We're at the bottom of the range. Usually, if you're at the bottom of the range, you go back up to the top of the range, unless you find a reason why we should not. And I don't really see a reason why we should not move back up to at least, towards the top. So towards 2.25 and 2.3 cents. So that's why I am still bullish on Jasmy. I still think the most likely scenario here is a bounce and some sort of a move into this region right here around 2.2 cents at the very least. And what's supporting that, and what's supporting my claim of that is that I think Bitcoin is bouncing very nicely. Bitcoin is in the same market structure right now, also a consolidation. And I also don't see any reason why Bitcoin would not hold that market structure, right? So if Bitcoin is able to move back up to the top of the range, most altcoins follow. And then if we look at momentum, look, Jasmy is not the greatest. We had some sort of a nice bounce yesterday morning. That was also one of the reasons why I bought. Right now, that's not the case. All right, so that's not great. Regardless, if we do get some sort of a reclaim above 2 cents, maybe above a level like 2015, so 0.02015. If we get some sort of a reclaim above that, a breakout above that on the 1 hour or preferably the 4 hour time frame, and Bitcoin is able to sustain some bullish momentum, and we see a little bit of a bump in the open interest for Jasmy, I think that's enough of a confirmation to enter. So that means at this point of time, I still think it's too risky, even though I do think this is most likely. So those are my thoughts. Unless Bitcoin starts to crash down, right? But at this moment, I don't see why we would do that. If things change, things change. I'll try to keep you updated on that. But for now, those are my thoughts. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.